From the desk of Jamaican cultural ambassador Latonya Style, I'd like to say Jamaica is the best. When you talk about talent, I mean music, dance, comedy, drama, Jamaicans have it locked. When you talk about culture, hey, we're the culture country, you know. Listen, when you talk about sports, Jamaica have the best track star fastest man in the world. Hey, we're bad pan football, we're bad pan enough sports. We're not gonna do no research, yeah? And listen, when you talk about beautiful Caribbean island, when you talk about the rivers, the beaches, the waterfalls, coral reefs, the mountains, hey, we have the Blue Mountain Coffee. Hey, it's so much to list why Jamaica is the bomb. Not to mention the beautiful people that will come from Jamaica, whether black, caramel, brown, whatever color you want to call them, with us cute, with us have a buzz, with us full of personality. We are the best. Who agree?